This T500 here that we've just got in stock at Blackburn is probably one of the nicest examples I've ever seen for a long time. It's just the detail. The guy who's restored this has really gone into the real minutest details of getting everything absolutely right. Things like the little connectors on the horn, they're perfect. The spring coming round here, lovely little grease nipple there right in the thing. And I'm also really, I mean, I've seen loads of these, very few do you ever see this little bracket here that holds the battery breather, absolutely superb. The level of detail in all the clips being in the right places, the wires, the colours, the nuts, the bolts, the screws, absolutely amazing. I really am absolutely totally blown away with this bike. And anyone who wants one of these and looking for the sort of almost perfect example, then this has got to be it. This really has got to be it. It's even got sort of period tyres, the clocks are in good fettle, everything just oozes an absolute first class job. So anybody who's looking for one of these, I don't think you need to look any further than this one.